Hola amigos! Welcome to my cocina. My name is Maria, and today I'm going to show you how I make one of my family's favorite dishes, chicken enchiladas, just like Abuelita used to make. These are easy, delicious, and perfect for any night you want a little comfort food with flavor. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I use a mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack, 1 small onion, finely chopped 1 can of red enchilada sauce, or homemade if you have time, 8 corn tortillas, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt, pepper and garlic powder to season fresh cilantro, and sour cream for topping. If you don't have cooked chicken ready, you can boil 2 chicken breasts with salt, pepper and a little garlic until tender. It takes about 20 minutes, then shred it with a fork. Muy fácil. Now let's make the filling. In a large bowl, combine your shredded chicken, half the cheese, the chopped onion, and a little pinch of salt, pepper and garlic powder. Mix it well. This is where the flavor lives. Next, we need to soften the tortillas. Heat a little oil in a skillet and lightly fry each tortilla for about 10 seconds on each side. You want them soft, not crispy. Lay them out on a plate with paper towels to drain the extra oil. Now we roll. Take 1 tortilla, add a spoonful of the chicken mixture, roll it up tight, and place it seam side down in a baking dish. Repeat with the rest. Don't overstuff them, just enough to keep them plump and pretty. Now pour the enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas. Make sure each one is well covered. Then sprinkle the rest of your cheese all over the top. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and bake the enchiladas for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Take them out and let them rest for a few minutes. Then top with fresh cilantro and a dollop of sour cream, or crema mexicana if you have it. Now comes the best part. Time to taste. So good. Soft tortillas, juicy chicken, melty cheese, and that enchilada sauce perfecto. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like, share it, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Buen provecho, and I'll see you next time.